Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Depop as a buyer. This is a useful guide if you accidentally placed an order, changed your mind, or noticed an issue right after purchasing. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Depop account, either through the mobile app or by using the Depop website. You must be signed in to view your purchases and request a cancellation. Before canceling any order, it's very important to understand Depop's cancellation policy. Depop does not automatically cancel orders, and whether a cancellation is possible depends on the order status. If the seller has already shipped the item, canceling may not be possible, and you may need to wait for delivery and request a return instead. That's why it's best to act quickly and request a cancellation before the item is shipped. Now, to check your orders, go to your profile page. From there, tap on the menu or settings option, then navigate to Purchases. This section shows all the items you've bought on Depop along with their current status, such as pending, shipped, or delivered. Once you're in your purchases list, find the order you want to cancel and tap on it. This will open the Order Details page, where you can see information about the seller, payment, and shipping status. If the item hasn't been shipped yet, you should see an option that says Cancel Order or Request Cancellation. Tap on that option and select a reason for the cancellation. Be clear and polite when choosing or explaining your reason, as the seller will review your request. After submitting the cancellation request, the seller will be notified and can either approve or decline it. If the seller approves, the order will be canceled, and your payment will be refunded according to Depop's policies. And that's it. That's how easy and quick it is to cancel an order on Depop as a buyer, as long as the item hasn't been shipped yet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.